Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Easy Bite Cooking. Today I'm going to show you kofta recipe to meatball. There's a lamb mince and I'm going to make a meatballs out of that. It's very simple. I don't need to add too much in there. Don't need to add any flour or anything, make it sticky or anything. I'm going to show you how to make it sticky and it won't break when you cook it. So today I'm going to add just a couple of things in there. First of all, I need is 1 kg lamb keema. You can use beef keema if you want. I'm cooking lamb keema. So I need 2 teaspoons of salt, just level. 1 heap teaspoon of ground black pepper. It's not a powder, it's a ground, okay? And I need a 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can use a fresh lemon. Yeah, if you're using fresh, you need, it might be just 1 big lemon or 2 small lemons. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, now I'm going to mix up properly. So make sure everything blend in. So just use like that. See your hands. Do as hard as you can. Just remind you, it's no washed. It's just if you wash it, it'll be too much water, and when you make a meatballs, it split everywhere. So make sure don't wash it. So just do once like that, once or twice. So that will take all the bubbles out of the keema. Yeah, make your fist, put your thumb in there like that, and just press hard as you can. See, then fold it back. Do same thing again. That will take any bubbles inside out, and it will blend in nicely together. All this ingredients we put it in. Now what you have to do, you don't need to wet your hands. Just take a little bit at a time. Do like that, and then press hard as you can, like that, and try to roll it. Use your thumbs. Take all the bubbles out, all the airs out. So then just start rolling between your palms. See, mashallah, beautiful already. Do again. Hold tight possible. Press as hard as you can. So take all the bubbles out, any air in there. So just start rolling. Bring your hand slowly, hands up like that. You make sure you make smaller or same size if possible. Here we go, guys. I made 18 of that. If you make a little bit smaller, you can make it 20 or maybe up to 25. But I made like few big ones, few small ones. But if you make it same size, or like use a little bit less if you want, you can make it up to 25 of 1 kg lamb mince. So I'm going to keep that on one side for now. So ingredients going. This is my tomato. I took this, peeled the skin off. I'll leave my video in description how to peel the skin off the tomatoes. And I just I took a skin off. I'm going to cut them in quarters. I'm going to use about half cup of fried onions, just half cup of sunflower oil. You can use butter, ghee, any oil, your favorite oil, whatever. So I'm just going to use the sunflower oil. It's roughly about half cup. I'm going to turn on the saute system here. Start. Just give a good stir. Going to add ginger and garlic. This is one blob, and this is just a 3-inch of ginger stick. So roughly say spoon and a half, spoon and a half. Just add in. Just give them a little cook stir. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. I already add 2 teaspoons in the meatball, so I don't need much. But you still can check it after you cook everything before you serve. So if you need any more salt, so only 1 teaspoon at the moment. Now I need to add whole spices. 1 black cardamom, few little bit flake of cardamom stick, and about 4 or 5 of cloves, and 1 level teaspoon of whole jeera, about 1 level teaspoon of ajwain, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, half a teaspoon of dry coriander powder, 1 level teaspoon of turmeric, haldi, 1 level teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1.5 red chili powder. Now I'm going to add najla seed, is a black onion seed as well, or kalwanji. So I'm just going to give a tiny touch, not too much, just maybe 1/4 teaspoon. That's much, 1/4 teaspoon, that's all. Give a good mix. You got to make sure the onion don't stick underneath, because onion already cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a tiny bit of kettle hot water, no tap hot water, no cold water, just tiny bit kettle hot water. So it will stop the process of burning of the spices and onion. The tomato, please don't forget to watch my how to take skin off the tomato in my video. I leave it with the link. Roughly about 3 small green chilies, just break them in the middle. Give it another good stir. So make sure the sauce don't stick underneath. It's a medium heat anyway, so it don't get burned, but still, if you don't stir on time, it might stick on the bottom. Now I'm going to add yogurt. I need roughly about 1/2 cup, but if you don't have any cup measurement, you might about need a 6 or 7 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 full tablespoons will make about roughly about 1/2 cup. Mix them well. Now we wait for everything blend in. You can add a little bit more hot water if you feel like it's sticking underneath. Mine went okay, but I don't need to add a little bit of water. Might need it later on. Here you go, guys. First 20 minutes of the saute is completed. I'm going to do second time. I don't need to use whole 20 minutes. From the scratch, it took me 20 minutes sauce like that. I needed just 5 more minutes, so make sure it's proper. It is better, but I need a little bit more better. Remind you, I only added a tiny bit of water. I didn't add any more water. It got already natural water from like yogurt and tomatoes, and obviously a lot of water going to come out from the meatball as well, because the meat have its own natural water. If you add water too much, it's going to be all liquidy, and I don't know, I don't like too liquidy. So if you think it's something sticking underneath, then add a tiny bit of water, maybe a couple of spoonfuls. You always use the hot kettle water. It won't stop the rhythm of the bubbles, like you don't have to restart all cooking. See you guys in 5 minutes. Here we go, guys. It's on medium heat from scratch to make a beautiful sauce, it took me about 25 minutes. You can start after 20 minutes, but I give extra 5 minutes to give me smooth sauce. Everything melted in there, tomatoes, onions, and the yogurt, they all blend together. So what I'm going to do, just give a good stir after that, and just I'm going to add the meatballs. Go some big ones, some small ones. If you make equal, that's fine. But if you make, sometimes you make some small or big, you can't make same all the time. But make sure you put a big ones. And then this is a tricky part now. That's where you're going to. So your curry almost 80% ready. All you have to do, just take the big ones first, pour in there slowly. Make sure don't do too hard. It might be the hot oil comes out of the pot. So it's mashallah beautiful kofta. Here we go. After adding all the meatballs, do not stir it. Just leave as it is. This is a tricky part because if you stir it, the meatballs kofta is very fragile and they're going to break it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to seal it, and my timing still on for a saute. So I'm going to wait the silver part come out when you hold the gas in there. Then I'm going to cancel the saute and I'm going to put a meat options. Guys, it's been 3 minutes. The silver thing haven't comes up. I don't need to use more than 3 minutes on a saute. Make sure when you go saute on and you seal the air, make sure you don't leave unattended, because it could be dangerous. So what you have to do, maybe when it's 3 minutes, and if the silver string don't come out, just cancel the saute, right? And we're going to start programming red meat option. So press red meat, start. Yeah, if these things didn't come out in the 3 minutes on saute, don't do more than that. Okay, just start the red meat options. So see you guys in 30 minutes. You guys, it's been 30 minutes. Make sure before you open the lid, the silver thing's down and any gas should be released. And do not touch the silver part, it's going to be extremely hot. Just touch the black ones. So just open it nicely. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mashallah, look. So I'm going to cancel this previous system, zero heat. Yeah, so I'm going to start saute again. You only need about 4-5 minutes. Make sure everything blended nicely. See, meatball, no meatball whatsoever break. So I'm going to do gently stir around. So make sure nothing been broken. Bubbling now. So I'm going to garnish the coriander on the top. Now I'm going to gently turn around. Make sure don't do too hard, otherwise you break the meatballs. So see, mashallah, it's nothing broke. See what I told you, there's no even single crack on it. So I didn't add any flour, anything to make it stick together. I didn't. I just, if you follow my directions, and it will be mashallah nice. They're solid as well. See, it's solid. Yeah, stir it properly, and all blend. I just need, as I said, I needed 5 minutes altogether. Make sure everything blend together, but stir it gently. Don't do too hard. Alright, see you after I dish out, guys. Here we go, guys. Welcome back. My beautiful kofta curry recipe ready. Is beautiful taste. Is a mild taste. If you like less hot, just reduce the spices, or just reduce the chili powder. And if you think you like very hot, just add the chili powder more. This recipe from 1 kg to 2 kg keema. So I'll only use 1 kg. You can use 2 kg keema as well if you like it. It's be same spices, same recipe, but just extend 1 kg more quantity. This is mashallah very beautiful cooked. Use the same way I told you. It's no crack. It's all beautiful. Not no even break. It's perfectly cooked, and it's no liquidy. It's all thick sauce, juicy one. Try my recipe. Share your friends and family, and subscribe my channel. Leave any comments if you like, and hope see you my next upload recipe. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.